The Tour de Hunter Mill is a bicycle trek around the Hunter Mill district. It's different from year to year, and it's an opportunity to see the Hunter Mill district from the perspective of a bicyclist. Really, it's for everybody. It's not a race, but we usually have a longer course and a shorter course. Typically, we'll also have at least part of the Tour de Hunter Mill along the W&OD Trail where we are today. The W&OD Trail actually goes right through the middle of the Hunter Mill district, and as you can see, it's really well used, but there's so many other trails and other places where you can ride bicycles in Hunter Mill district that we like to explore every year. It's to raise awareness that bicycling is an opportunity that exists for most of us in Fairfax County to get around. We really have an opportunity in Hunter Mill to get around more than just by car. For example, in Hunter Mill district, we have 5 different metro rail stations. Each of those provides an opportunity to get there not just by pedestrian, but also by bicycling. Bikes are allowed on metro rail. We encourage everybody to use metro that way as well.
I think it's a great event because I get to see the community and maybe meet some new people, get some advice, and just get more comfortable out here in Reston.
We believe strongly in supporting anything that gets people out on their bicycles, whether they be hardcore cyclists who's out to do the long ride today or families out doing the short ride. Anything that gets people on bikes and using what the county provides and exploring is a great opportunity for us.
Join us because it's fun.
Join us because it's healthy. Join us because it's social.
Join us because it's a blast.
So each participant in the Tour de Hunter Mill gets a pair of socks, a pair of colorful socks in fact. We've changed the colors over the years, so if you've done the Tour de Hunter Mill before and you already have a pair of these socks, do it again because you'll get a different color this year. So if you have a question about the Tour de Hunter Mill or you want to sign up for it, go to the Hunter Mill District webpage. There you can do that, and you can also get information about Hunter Mill beyond the Tour de Hunter Mill.